In a simple dining room, a modestly set table showcases warm food, bathed in soft, natural light, evoking a sense of serene tranquility. A child and their grandfather, both clad in simple white clothes, sit opposite each other, their presence radiating a quiet harmony. With wide-eyed wonder, the child asks, "Baba Ji, why do we say bismillah before eating?" The grandfather's eyes soften with affection as he prepares to answer the child's question. The grandfather softly shares, "My child, saying bismillah has three great benefits. 1. Satan stays away from the food. He doesn't eat with us. 2. Allah's mercy and blessings come into the food. San, we become grateful, starting the meal by taking Allah's name." The child exclaims, "Wow, Babaji, now I will say bismillah every time." Grandfather responds with gentle pride, "Well done, my child. May Allah make you virtuous." Bathed in soft, spiritual melodies, their shared ritual weaves a tapestry of gratitude and peace.